In this tutorial you will learn how to fix HP laptop screen flickering in Windows 11 and Windows 10.
First, open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. If you have an Intel GPU, first Google Intel Driver Support Assistant. Open the first link. Press Download now. Download the tool. Double-click the installer. Agree with the terms and press Install. Wait for the assistant to be installed. Press Launch to open the assistant. In Graphics, you'll be able to update your drivers. If that didn't work, first Google GeForce Experience. Click on GeForce Experience. Press Download now. Save the file. Run the file. Press Yes. Now install the program. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, open GeForce Experience. Click on Drivers. Press Check for updates. Press Download. Wait for the latest drivers to be downloaded. Select if you want an express or custom installation. This will install the drivers for your video card model. Now wait for the drivers to be installed. Restart after it finishes.